Number 1. Who has scored the most runs in international cricket? A. Sachin Tendulkar. B. Ricky Ponting. C. Virat Kohli. D. Brian Lara. Answer A. Sachin Tendulkar. Number 2. Which country won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2019? A. India. B. Australia. C. England. D. New Zealand. Answer C. England. Number 3. Who has taken the most wickets in Test cricket? A. Shane Warne. B. Muttiah Muralitharan. C. James Anderson. D. Anil Kumble. Answer B. Muttiah Muralitharan. Number 4. What is the highest individual score in an ODI match? A. Rohit Sharma. B. Sachin Tendulkar. C. Martin Guptill. D. Chris Gayle. Answer A. Rohit Sharma. Number 5. Which team has won the most ICC Cricket World Cups? A. England. B. India. C. West Indies. D. Australia. Answer D. Australia. Number 6. Who is the fastest bowler to reach 100 wickets in ODIs? A. Mitchell Starc. B. Rashid Khan. C. Saqlain Mushtaq. D. Shane Warne. Answer B. Rashid Khan. Number 7. Which player has the most centuries in Test cricket? A. Jacques Kallis. B. Ricky Ponting. C. Sachin Tendulkar. D. Steve Smith. Answer C. Sachin Tendulkar. Number 8. Who is the only bowler to take 10 wickets in a Test innings? A. Anil Kumble. B. Jim Laker. C. Shane Warne. D. Muttiah Muralitharan. Answer B. Jim Laker. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.